What's up, everyone? Right now, we're going to show you a video how to run Facebook ads for Sealcoating company. So, guys, just recently onboarded this client. Obviously, this client used to try to run Facebook ads in the past, did not work out well. We just launched his ads literally 2 weeks ago, or like a week and a half ago, and right now, I think he closed over $2,000 in sales in 2 weeks. So, pretty much just show the stats right now. So we tested out different campaign ideas and we found the winning one. So far, right now, is he's getting $5.79 cost per lead, $8 a lead so far, and he spent 46 bucks. So, and I know this is a winning ad with this simple offer, and I'll show you basically how we formatted, what the structure is, very simple stuff. So right now for the ad copy. So pretty much for Facebook, it's really important that you narrow down your location and you tell your location on the creative and the ad copy. What does that mean? So pretty much if you look at the creative we have right here, it says Bucks County, PA. This client's in Bucks County, PA. And guess what? On the ad copy, it says, hey, Bucks County homeowner. So pretty much you want your ad copy and your creative to link with the audience. So the more specific you are, the better the cost per lead will be. Because if you just say, hey, Pennsylvania homeowners, it's not going to be as attached to the customer compared to if you say, hey, Bucks County homeowners. So I really recommend to narrow down your Facebook ad into your county or even your zip code or city, right? Depends how narrow you want to go. But the more narrow, the lower the cost per lead and the higher chance you convert and higher quality. So pretty much our offer was $500 off for a seal coating the driveway. Obviously, it really depends on how big the job is. If the job is really small, like 200 bucks, we'll probably do a smaller offer. But the whole point is with Facebook ads to work, you need to have a really good creative, a really good offer, and a good ad copy. So I'm going to show you guys my creative right now. Give it a moment. So notice how a very simple thing we did. We built urgency. We said if you call by Sunday or fill out the form by Sunday, we'll get you a free warranty. So pretty much if you build offer, right, so $500 off, you say the service, so seal coating, then you build urgency if you fill out by Sunday, and also saying that you will include something for free. So if you do detailing and you do whatever, like a huge PPF job, you can include tinting for free, right? Do something where it entices the customer to fill out the form and like book a call with you or give you a call. So, and for the headline for the offer says claim up to $500 off today. And I like the arrow that says get quote, and pretty much I will show you the fill out form, what it has here. So, okay, sorry about the insert. So we asked some couple questions. The size of the driveway, right? Next question is if it loads, any cracks or damage. Um, how soon do you need the service? I said ASAP, within a week, within a month. And then the next question is just the contact form. And then basically, after they submit everything, they can call the client right away. So, and let me just show you the ad copy right now in specific. So, it's really slow today, my apologies. But pretty much what we do for the ad copy is we just give you the call out. So, okay, actually, it should be $500 off, but my apologies. But basically, what we have here is call outs. We have the pain points of the driveway. We say the company that we can fix it, and then basically we say what the pros is. And then we have a bonus, which is by if you fill out the form by Sunday, you get a free warranty, and then also a call to action by calling now or fill out the form. And the creative offer, like I said, this video is not even his. We just stole it from online. So pretty much just get a really good creative that looks very satisfying because the less it seems like an actual ad, the better the ad will perform. Because if it looks like very addy, if it looks like it's a commercial, it won't do that good. But like we found a very satisfying video that's very eye-catching and appealing. So how can you do that? So if you're a seal coater, go online, search up seal coating, and look for videos that got like a million views, right? Those videos perform well because it's very satisfying and it caught the consumer's eye. Why would it not work for the ad, right? So we sold this ad, right? We sold this video. The video performed really well on YouTube. So why would it not perform well on Facebook ads? So it's a couple of unique strategies you got to do. So pretty much what you got to do is the call to action, or I guess lead magnets would say attention Bucks County homeowners. And also in the ad creative, we say right here Bucks County, PA. So we want to make it specifically to Bucks County. Okay, so we have a seal coating special. So we have to offer the county, we have the discount, and then we build urgency, right? We build urgency by saying if you fill it by Sunday, we get a free warranty. So guys, that is a simple format for a seal coating ad that you should launch today. So this summer, you can make a killing. Guys, if you have any questions, book a call with me. Link in the description. Take care.